I got in trouble with YouTube. Teachers were not getting any younger. As you know, guys, I am getting a bit older. I might look 16.
Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here, I just want to do a quick update. Now, for persons who have been watching me for a long time, you may have remembered this where I wanted to post a video every day. And these are for the new persons, these are the videos that I want to post on my channel mainly because these are things I am interested in and some of my viewers are interested in. I've been trying to edit and upload a video for 2 weeks now and it hasn't been uploaded. Well, it was stopped or blocked because it got a copyright on it. I tried to do my best to manipulate that video, etc, etc. No, I got a copyright claim on it. So what I did was to proclaim it to try and convince YouTube that it's not a copyrighted video. So with that said, I'm waiting on YouTube to respond to that. Based on this schedule, I posted that I want to show you guys different art movies, inspirational art movies that you can go ahead and watch and be inspired and get some ideas from some of the artworks too, if that is even possible. I wanted to upload that video from last week, but rose around to this week and I'm still not able to upload that. It's going to take 30 days, I think, for YouTube to check it, so I'm just going to take that off my mind for right now. So what I'm going to do, any reaction videos that I mention, I would do here. I would try and find a way to just show like clips, no, pictures is best, to show like pictures of something and react to it. But I want to try and avoid those videos overall and just create my own content because I can't bother with the copyright thing and stuff like that. And back then when I was uploading on YouTube, I did not know that eventually when you use non-copyrighted songs, the owner of the song is going to, what you call it now, basically turn it around to say it's a copyrighted song. So they put it on the YouTube saying that it's not a copyright song, and then eventually a couple months down the line they copyrighted their song. So I have those songs in my videos and now those songs got a copyright. So it's very difficult around here, people. But I haven't gotten a copyright strike. Copyright claim is different from copyright strike. So I haven't got a copyright strike. But the video that I proclaimed yesterday, if the YouTube found that it is a copyrighted video, then I'm going to get a copyright strike, which is going to be the first strike. If we get 3, I think that's it, or it's 2 and that's it. So what I'm trying to do is to just avoid it. So once them say it's a copyright, me not bother with it. Alright, so reaction videos might be out, art movies might be out because just done. What I plan to do is to just try and give you the list of art movies that you can watch so you can go ahead and watch it for yourself. Alright, so because I was trying to edit these videos that you see today, today is Thursday the 29th, because I was trying to upload and edit all of those videos for you, behind on something that I wanted you guys to know about. It should have been posted about 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I haven't got the chance to do it. Busy. So here what? I am just going to release it when I can. I'm just going to release it when it's done. So when it's finished, it's finished. It's just that I'm very busy and I can't get to do what I said I would do because editing videos and stuff like that, family, etc. I'm gonna even start do a bit more vloggings and stuff like that, so that would be easier and it would not be copyright. Vlogs about art, my life situations on here. I also want to do my testimonies on here for persons who joined the channel because they wanted to hear my testimonies. I think I'm going to post it on here. I was going to create a vlog channel for that, but can't even manage Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all those social media pages. I haven't posted on any of those social media pages except for this page here. So I can't manage another channel right now. So whenever I get around to that, I'm going to put all my videos here. But what you can do, if you don't want to see the testimonies part, you can just skip that. But I'm going to still post art videos and stuff like that. As you realize, I'm trying to please everyone by uploading CSEC vlogs, the host videos, etc. on one day, or things like that, for at least 4 to 5 videos on one day, so I can please different audience that came to my channel because of a certain video. So I'm trying to do that. All right. So if you don't want to see the testimonies part, just do away with that video. Don't watch it. All right. So I can't bother with another channel right now. Can't bother. I even started 2 other channels and I haven't posted anything on them as yet. It's just too much. It's too much. All right. So if you want to see, for the new persons or persons who have just joined my channel, why this light turn off? For the new person, for persons who have just joined my channel, this is basically the different type of videos I wanted to post on my channel. All right, and I'm also going to add the testimonies part. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but I'm gonna leave that for now. I'm gonna leave that intro for now. The next thing is I have a problem with my computer here. I had a problem with, well, still having a problem with my computer here in terms of storage. So that it was another issue why the videos were not uploaded last week. All right, iMovie was not giving me a chance to edit anything. I couldn't upload 3 minutes of a video on iMovie because there was storage problems. Still having storage problems. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to take this somewhere to let them clean the system. I don't have virus on this computer. I rarely use any thumb drive on this computer here, so I don't have virus. It's just that the storage, and I can't find where to delete those extra storage. I don't know where, so I would have to bring it somewhere so I can get it clean, so I can upload a bit more. And that was one of the reasons why the projects were not done, because I could not download anything else on the computer because it was full. That was another issue. I cleared up at least 50 gigs, or is it megabytes? 50 gigs. I cleaned up at least 50 gigs last night so I could at least upload those videos that you're seeing today, which is Thursday the 29th. Alright, so that is why those videos are up, because I got the chance to clean up some things. I probably even deleted some important things there, but I couldn't get to use my computer, so I had to just do what I had to do. Alright, raining outside there. Alright, so the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is my package from TEMU. Is it TEMU or TEMU? Let me know in the comments below. No, the reason why I didn't show the unboxing is because, one, it really was not about art, and my computer was giving a lot of problem in terms of storage. But I think I still want to basically give you guys a rundown of what I got from TEMU, being that I only paid $3,000 Jamaican for the items and $500 to collect my package, so that's $3,500. As you know, guys, I am getting a bit old. I might look 16. I might look 16, but I'm not 16. So I've decided to take a further step in terms of skincare for my face. So I decided to get some things from TEMU. So I've been using these on my face along with an apricot scrub on my face, but I only use it like the rain is falling really hard, so I hope you guys can hear me. I only use those occasionally, like when I feel like. I don't have a routine or anything. I just wash my face with soap, scrub it with a rag, and that's it. It's not rag, it's washcloth. A bit of joke. When I was working in America, I guess walking and asked me something I don't remember, but I remember telling her that there are rags in the bathroom, and she was like, "What? What did she say? Did she just say rags?" And I was like, "Yes, there's rags in the bathroom." And I don't know if it was her daughter said, "You mean washcloth?" In my head, I'm like, "Oh, yes, washcloth." In Jamaica, most of we say rag. Put on the rag, take up the rag and soap and go bathe. So, but in America, they say washcloth. What I mean by rags is washcloth. And that's it. But I realized that it's been a while now since I have some acne on my face. It's going away now. Most of it is going away now. So I decided to take a better care of my face basically. Alright, I'm not getting any younger. So I use those two items along with an apricot scrub. It's finished now. I would have to get back another one. And I also use these. It says a dark spots, but I use it on my face. And I also use this on my face. Alright, it's occasionally. I'm a bit concerned about this now. Probably it's the plant, which is, but I'm still concerned. I don't care. I don't care. So I have been using this for a while. So those are the items that I've been using on my face. Guys, if you're not hearing me, I will do a voice over. Alright, so those are the items that I've been using on my face. So I decided to take it a bit further by purchasing some things online from TEMU. So what I got for 3,000 Jamaican dollars are this steam mask. I got this steam mask. I got this. I don't even remember what some of them do, but I got them. I would have to look back on what they do. So I got this scrub thing. I bought this for a serum that I have. I have a serum that I bought locally. This one here is for hot water. So you put the hot water in here and you spray. Alright, it's a steamer. Right? This one here, you can fill it with water and you get like this round thing on your face, and then you can rub it underneath your eyes for inflammation. Yes. This one I got a face scraper, and this one it removes like acne and stuff like that on your face. This one is, I don't remember what this was for, but I think it's to rub like places on your face. This one here too. Alright, I got this one here is a eye cream stick. So you rub it underneath your eye. Rub it underneath your eye and go to sleep. Or you can use it in the daytime, but it probably shine up your face. This one here is for my lip. My lip is getting very dark. I rub it on my lip. I haven't started to use these products as yet. This one here is like when you're going out and your face gets a bit oily, you just use it and take off the oil. See, disappear. Alright, yeah, so this is it to remove oil, because I have really oily skin. This one here is to wash my face or scrub my face. Like this. So if I'm in the shower and I just want to use the soap only, I could just use this and get in the nitty gritty and give it a good scrub. Alright? Teachers, we're not getting any younger. So we have to take better care of our skin, especially your face. Because I still think I'm 60 and keep on asking, are you a big woman or a little girl? I usually take offense to it, but not anymore. I got rid of that spirit. So now it doesn't bother me. So those are the things that I bought on TEMU. Oh, this one also. TEMU, sorry. TEMU. Some people call it some weird name, but anyways. So this one here I bought to go on my head like this. Yeah. And this here. Yeah. So all of that for just $3,000 Jamaican. Yeah, so those are the things that I bought from TEMU. And these are some of the things that I use on my face. So I'm going to start taking better care of my face or my skin. I also have body scrubs now. Look here, in my young days, I wasn't doing any of this, because I didn't think that it was necessary. But as I'm growing older, I realize that it's definitely necessary. So these are the things that I use so far. I also have body scrub. I have gloves that you can put a body scrub on and scrub your body. So I have that also. I also have a personal rag for my face. Usually I just use the same beaded rag, but not anymore. Alright, so occasionally I use these things, but I'm definitely going to start using them more often. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.